coarse and 1 drop of the fine, yellow. Thank you, Marcus. So 2 drops for 83, and then 1 drop of the finishing.
My name is Sarah Coleman-Leanhart. I'm a technical specialist with RUPES USA. We've been here these past few days at Hudson Valley Regional Airport polishing this beautiful historical Falcon 1 airplane that Ronald Reagan and George Bush Sr. used to fly.
My husband Glenn and I, it was our dream about 2 years ago, came to fruition of wanting to detail the aircraft, and it's led into this project. We have a conglomeration of different detailers from around the country, the world, that we've handpicked, invited to be part of the project due to their experience and because we wanted them to be part of the event.
I walked into this thinking that aviation detailing was going to be very similar to boat detailing, automotive detailing. It is not.
Big difference is most aircraft is single stage paint. You don't find many that are actually have clear coat on them. With aviation detailing, you're not chasing all those scratches. You're trying to clean, shine, and protect.
It's crucial that we have equipment here that will meet all of those needs and that's readily available. RUPES tools are built for something like this. I believe in RUPES. That's what we use in our shop solely, and they have killed it on this project.
On the white parts, we're hitting it with the rotary, and then on the blue sections, we're actually polishing with a random orbital. You'll notice that we're using 2 drops of DA coarse and 1 drop of DA fine. That's what the paint likes. We were trying all these different variables and adjusting all of these different techniques. That's what the paint called for. That DA fine added just enough for lubricancy. That's what we're running with.
What made me come to this event is because that we have the opportunity to kind of work on a big piece of history. The RUPES work great on this plane, and the plane is shining. And seems like all the people here love it. So yeah, overall I'm super satisfied with the RUPES system.
Our goal for this was to not only restore a piece of history, but to bring attention to Dutchess Community College with their aviation program, bring exposure to the airport, to all the sponsors, of course, all the detailers.
A project like this gives us an opportunity to come in and work side by side with each other to team up. We believe coming together with other companies for the greater good is what this industry needs and is all about. So our affiliation with this is to sponsor it, to help out in any way we can.
Couldn't happen without everybody helping and partaking. RUPES has been instrumental with this project. Look what it's doing. Look what it's doing, it's crazy.